Are you struggling to make money? Well, Chatgpt is a huge opportunity you can utilize to make money online. I'm going to share 3 ways how Chatgpt can help you to make money from your home, and if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to give you a 4 option that no one is talking about. If you are interested in achieving financial and time freedom and quitting your 9-to-5 job, please subscribe to my channel. I'm on a mission to help 9-to-5ers leave their job. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Please tap the notification bell, that way you get notified as soon as a new video comes out. You can create a free Chatgpt account in openai.com, and once you are logged in, you're going to be able to ask questions. Now, you can use Chatgpt to help you write sales copy, website content, or scripts. Let me show you some examples. We're going to put here, please write a sales copy for my water treatment online course. Now, let's see what is the answer. So check this out. Transform your water knowledge with our comprehensive online course. Are you tired of not understanding the complexities of water treatment? Yeah, water treatment is like a very complex word. Our online course is here to change that. With expert-led lessons on hand-on activities, you'll learn all about water treatment process and techniques, from basic concepts to advanced practice. So this is really awesome, guys. Now, let's say that I need to write a blog article for my website about making money online in 2023. I'm going to ask Chatgpt, please write me a blog article of 1,000 words about making money online from home. Check this out. In 2023, making money online. So we're going to put here about the latest strategies of making money online from home in 2023. Now we're going to see that Chatgpt is writing the whole article. So making money online from home has become increasingly popular in recent years, and the trend is only growing in 2023 and is giving me all the information I need. So check this out. With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and the rise of remote work, more and more people are looking for ways for earn an income from the comfort of their own homes. Now, to rank this article on Google, we need that this article to be completely optimized. So we're going to ask Chatgpt, please optimize this article for SEO for the keyword making money online from home. So check this out. So Chatgpt is going to rewrite the article and is going to optimize for this keyword, because it's really important to optimize for a keyword, because if we don't use this strategy, we are not going to rank, or we are not going to be able to rank in the first spots on Google. So this is really amazing, guys, to use this software. Now we're going to use Chatgpt to write a script. So please write me a script for my YouTube channel that is about making money online from home with affiliate marketing. So Chatgpt is writing the script that I can use in my own YouTube channel. Hi and welcome to my channel, where we talk about making money online from home, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money through affiliate marketing, and it's giving me all the information I need, and then I can record this and make a YouTube video with this info. The fourth option to use Chatgpt is for industries that don't know anything about this AI technology. For example, when I was working in the paper industry, paper machines had a massive problem with the stickies because they lost time, production, and resources. Back in those days, I would use Chatgpt to help me solve that problem, and as a consultant for industries, we can earn a lot of money because every paper machine that I saw had the same problem. For example, we're going to ask ChatGPT, I have a paper machine that has a massive problem with stickies. How can I solve the problem? So this is really interesting, guys, because we're using the power of artificial intelligence and we're going to apply this to solve real problems in industries. So check this out. Stickies are a common problem in paper machines as they can cause reduced efficiency, lower product quality, and increase maintaining costs. And it's giving me all the things that I need to check this out. Raw materials changes, involve pulp washing, proper machine maintenance, use of stickies, removable chemicals, and improved screening. And this is really awesome, guys, because I can go to an industry and sell this service to solve their problems. Now, we're going to use ChatGPT for another problem. So let's say that we want to sell a proposal of clarification. So we're going to ask ChatGPT, how can I structure a proposal for coagulants and flocculants for, let's say, an industry for the mine, oh, let's put for the sugar industry. So check this out. A proposal for coagulants and flocculants for the sugar industry should be structured in a clear and concise manner, highlighting the benefits and features of your products and how they can solve, and it's giving me all the details that I can use for my proposal. The introduction, background, the solution, my solution, technical data, all the things that I'm going to use to solve their problems, the cost analysis, because the companies always want like a reduction of their cost, the conclusion, and the next steps, like the following and all these things. Now we're going to go a little more deeper in this AI technology. So we're going to ask ChatGPT, I have a water that has 100 NTU of turbidity. What chemicals and active ingredients do I need to use to clarify this water to 20 NTU? So to clarify water with a turbidity of 100 NTU down to 20 NTU, you will need to use coagulants, flocculants. Coagulants are chemicals that help to desestabilize suspend particles in water. Now let's see. Okay, so I need coagulants and flocculants. The specific chemicals and active ingredients that you will need to use will depend on a number of factors, including the source of the turbidity, the pH of the water, and any water quality parameters. But as you can see in the screen, it's giving me the common coagulants. So aluminum salts, such as aluminum sulfate, iron salts, such as ferric chloride, and some common flocculants like polyamine chloride and polyacrylamides. To determine the optimal combination of chemicals and active ingredients, it's recommended to conduct a Yard test. So there is the truth, because when you're going to build a coagulants and fraudulent proposals, you need to do a jar test. You need to try like many different chemicals, and then you need to select the ones that has the better results and the lower cost. So this is really interesting, guys, and I hope that you get value from this video. And if you like this information, subscribe to my channel, because I am uploading videos almost every single day, and I'm here to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. So that's it for this video. And if you want access to the 5-second silent method, which is how to make money online by creating 5-second silent videos, even if you don't want to show your face, you can click the link in the description of this video. So that's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.